Good evening, my fellow infected psychopaths. Today I'll be injecting you with the insanity that is my voice. Let's get started. That's why in 6 months a baby will come out of you. Okay, class, time to move on to our next subject. Yes, nerd?
Aren't you gonna, ask about yesterday's homework?
Well, did you do it?
No.
Then stop asking about it. Teacher's pet. Now then, before I was rudely interrupted, today we're going to be learning about psychotic mathematics. Unlike regular math, aka mental abuse to humans, this mathematics are different. Okay. For example, who can tell me what's a Stinger shotgun plus a handgun? Anyone? Come on guys, you know this.
Is it a machine pistol?
No, but...
21?
No, but if you...
21?
You just said that.
Leviosa.
Oh, come on, that's not even an answer. Plus, it's saw. Look kids, if you just listen, I... Okay, that's it. I quit. I had enough. This ain't worth the $4.
This, my dear psychopaths, is the Stinger Handgun, a Lego handgun variant of the Stinger shotgun. How it works is quite rather simple.
Hey, what the hell are you doing here? Hey, what are you doing here?
Extra credit?
Extra credit? Not even... How did you... How... What? Look. There. You got an A now. Now will you please leave my channel?
Yay, Lux Mom, I got an A.
Nerd. Sorry about that, fellow infected psychopaths. Where was I? There are two parts to this Lego handgun. The first part is the magazine mechanism. Just like with the Stinger shotgun. Which, I mean, you should check it out. I mean, I'm just saying, you should check it out. Just like the Stinger shotgun variant, the magazine has a pin that actually keeps the projectiles from exiting the magazine. When the magazine is loaded into the weapon and the bolt is pulled back, it activates the mechanism behind the magazine. This mechanism has a rubber band attached to it. The purpose of this mechanism is to keep the pin in place, unless the bolt is pulled back. When the bolt is pulled back, it pushes on the pin, allowing one round to be chambered. When the bolt is pushed forward again, it gets caught on the trigger. When the trigger is pulled, it fires the weapon. How the magazine is able to stay into weapon and not slide out is rather simple. There's a lever-like mechanism that holds the magazine in place.
Distance is 32 feet or 9.7536 meters. Ammo capacity is 7.
Time we have today for this class of Arsenal. Tune in for my next project where I show you a revolver style Lego gun. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also hit or shoot the notification bell. Also make sure to check out my Twitter as well for my daily life updates, as well as upcoming projects. Until next time, see you later you psychopaths.